and today I'm going to show you how to fix a broken dustbin.
So I've got a dustbin where the lid is cracked and it's cracked right through, and I'm going to fix it. So you're going to need a lighter, some steel cable, some paper clips, a soldering iron, and a pair of pliers or a leather man. I'll heat up the paper clips and then push them into the plastic across the crack in the lid. Get some cable ties, heat up my soldering iron, and just add a few more of these paper clips all along the broken seam. I then take the cable ties and soldering iron and weld the plastic along the join, adding some more paper clips, pushing them in, and then sanding it smooth when it's cooled. Give a nice smooth finish. Then turn the lid over and then use the cable ties to weld the other side, using a blowtorch to smooth it over, and then just some sandpaper to make it nice and to make a nice finish. And that's it.